All right, let's TroposAir Corsica, and we're gonna start this fan off on low. We're gonna, for the remake, definitely a very powerful fan with the palm blades. Definitely really cool. That's low. Let's go to medium. And yeah, this thing really cranks the air, despite being a palm blade fan. And I do like that ornate style faceplate this thing has, so definitely got that going to it. All right, high speed. High speed is insane.
Holy smokes! Can I film that?
Yeah, sure, you can go for it.
Well, let me film that. Get out of the way.
And it's, of course, the wind noise is very strong. And it's moving that Gulf Coast rain dance. Right there. Very satisfying to watch this thing fly like a beast.
It's like a hurricane.
Yeah, these things are hurricanes, so what do we expect? Oh yeah, let me turn this one off.